Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. The Charpy Impact test is a critical assessment of a material's toughness. Our ISO 83 compliant testing ensures your steel materials meet international standards. From infrastructure to automotive industries, CDG Inspection serves a wide range of sectors requiring durable and safe steel materials. At CDG Inspection, we use state-of-the-art technology for accurate and reliable test results every time. Our thorough testing process includes sample preparation, V-notch creation, and energy absorption measurement during impact. Because we combine expertise, precision, and world-class facilities to deliver trusted results. Our testing services ensure steel components can withstand real-world challenges, from harsh weather conditions to heavy loads. We operate globally, ensuring your steel materials meet international standards no matter where your project is. Precision matters. That's why we ensure accurate readings for every test we conduct. Need custom testing solutions? We provide tailored services to meet your unique project demands. Receive detailed, ISO 83 compliant certification and reports to guarantee your steel's performance. Our satisfied clients trust CDG Inspection for all their steel testing needs. Hear what they have to say. Visit www.cdginspection.com today to make an inquiry or learn more about our services. CDG Inspection, delivering excellence, one test at a time.